Hey guys, it's Divya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a classic winged eyeliner look. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with a clean and prepped face. I'm going right in with MAC's 24-hour eye prep, making sure to warm the product on the back of my hand and really working into my eye, all the way from lash line to eyebrow. I put some of it below my lash line in order to prevent crease lines in my concealer. I also like to put it in my smile lines to avoid creasing. Next, I'm going in with MAC's Correct and Conceal palette in the orange color corrector and putting in a very light layer of color corrector in my under eyes. Make sure to push that color corrector into the skin and create a very thin layer. Next, I'm going in with the color corrector around my mouth area to cancel out any darkness that may be around the mouth. Next, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever concealers and patting over the color corrector. Make sure to pat lightly and then use your fingers to blend in. Do not swipe or buff the concealer in. If you swipe or buff the concealer in, the orange color corrector and your concealer color will mix. This avoids mixing. Next, I'm going in and concealing any clear blemishes that I can see on my face. Going in with my Face Atelier foundation in the shade 8.5, I'm putting the foundation on a paddle brush and swiping it onto my skin. I'm creating a pretty medium to thick layer, which I later smooth out with a dual fiber brush. Again, doing that on the other side. Make sure to smooth all of the harsh lines that the paddle brush creates with the dual fiber brush. I make sure to not go all the way up to the hairline with that foundation shade on my forehead because the top of my forehead is much darker than the rest of my face, and I'll go back in with a much darker shade for my forehead. Next, I'm going in with the NARS Concealers in 2 different shades to create my custom color and layering over top the color corrector, then blending it in with a beauty blender. Same thing on the other side. Make sure to get all the way to the end of your eye. And blend. Next, I'm going in with my RCMA No Color Powder and setting the concealer under my eye. You don't want to wait too long to set the concealer, otherwise it'll start creasing. Then I'm setting the rest of my face with the RCMA No Color Powder. It's a very light layer that I'm using to set the rest of my face. Then I'm going in with the RCMA VK10 palette and using one of the darker shades as a contour color in my forehead and my cheekbones. Then smoothing it out with a buffing brush. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in the color dark brown and very carefully putting hair strokes into my eyebrow. Do this really slowly to make sure that you don't overdo your eyebrows. Next, I'm going in with the shade Soft Brown and washing that color over the outer third of my eye, making sure to blend pretty high, almost near the eyebrow. This will be my first wash of color. Again, doing it on both eyes, from lash line to almost brow, working it into the crease. Next, I'm going in with brown script and keeping it really close to the lash line, blending close to the lash line, then bringing it up just slightly. We want to keep this color really low to create dimension around the lighter color that we had just placed on our eye. Then blending the two colors together. Next, I'm going in with a lighter shade and swiping it across my lid to create a lighter lid look and a darker crease look. Then blending the lid and the crease colors together. Going in with that same lighter shade and highlighting my brow bones. Next, I'm going in with my MAC Fluidline and starting the eyeliner. Now I'm going to speed this process up so that you guys see every part of how I made my eyeliner without boring you. So first I start with the outer third of my eye and work my way in. The outer part of your eye should have a thicker line than the inner part of your eye, creating a drawn out and dramatic big eye look. At this point, you can stop. You don't have to do the winged liner, or you can keep on going. If you're going for the winged liner look, then draw a line coming out of the end of your eye, and about 3/4 of the way into the line, connect that line to the eyeliner already on your lid. Draw straight into your lid. It appears as though that line is on a diagonal, but really it's straight. Now you'll see I'm going back and forth to make sure that both eyes look identical. Make sure to really take your time on this. You don't want a wing on one eye to look different than the other eye. Then I'm going in with the light MAC eyeshadow and putting it on my inner tear ducts. Finally, I'm going in with some lashes. I'm going to pop those on and finish the look off with a pinky muted color to keep the attention on the eyes. And this is the final look, a classic winged eyeliner look. You can wear this out to a dinner, a party, out to hang out with your friends. It's a pretty classic look. It looks really great on everyone. If you like this look, then please hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you. Bye.